Wow! I forgot what a pain the next boss could be. Ugh. Jeez. Never given this much trouble before. Then again, it might be acting pretty stupid. I don't know. I think it's Dave Cone. Or they're here, at least. Huh. No, I won't tell you what the gate holder's for. And no, Nuzbel is not a Triceratops because, well, as far as I know, Triceratops don't walk on the back of their... Yeah. Also, don't make the mistake I did. Ow. And keep an eye on your HP. And if necessary, heal with a moral. Ugh. Ugh. Might as well show off. It does a whole lot more damage anyway. Doing good so far. Oh yeah. Huh. Now you want to heal. Whoa. Well, that did much. Yeah, we're doing good so far. Shouldn't say that, I'll jinx myself. Whee! Whoa, just in time too. Ah! Yeah, 2 hits from that would have killed anyone. He's easy enough once you got the pattern down, at least. Let's do this for a change. Drill kick! Woo! That wasn't supposed to... whatever. Oh, okay. Huh. And now I beat him. Great. Oh, well. Haha. Yeah. We're not monkeys. And she froze up. Yeah, good luck trying. Hold on a second. That's not right. That is. Yeah, sure. Okay, anyway, we got what we came for, so let's go fix the ground laying, shall we? Sorry, just let's catch it. Ow. Ow. Oh my god, I just remembered, by the way. Pretty soon you will not have a lot of, well, videos from Chrono Trigger retranslated because I will be so busy training. You won't believe it. Let's see, what level am I now? 21. Okay. Yeah, it's easy to avoid those. I thought there was a box over here too. I guess not. Anyway, how do we get back in the gate? This is how. Ah! Let's get the ground laying. Woo, woo, woo! La 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 la. Oh, we're here again. So let's go fix up that sword. Also, you may wonder, what the hell is the other way anyway? Well, we'll be going there later. Hey Bosch, look at what we have. Okay, now we can go downstairs. Okay, this is another one of the better music pieces. What am I doing? I'm trying to get them both to look that way. There we go. Yeah, now it's like they're watching what they're doing. Jeez. Yeah, blink blink. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, music. It's been remixed a lot of times. Especially on Overclocked. If you're wondering, it's from an era we'll be seeing a lot of soon. And personally, I think it's sad about what happened eventually. Whee! Woo! Frogson, what? Oh well. Yeah, it's high time to get the Grand Leon to Frog. Ugh. I think I'm going to save here. Yeah. Okay, next time we will be seeing the Grand Lion in action. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Bye.